What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like shit cheap cars, partially you should subscribe to this channel. But if you like little gems, you definitely should subscribe to the channel. Give it a like, hit that bell icon to keep up to date with the builds. We do have a good few videos on the channel, so please subscribe, like the videos, give me a comment, I'll write back. I do appreciate it. So yeah, roll intro. So today guys, in this video I am down in the garage to move the EG6 outside because my mate Alan from Clean My Car is going to come down, wash the car and give it a polish, see what the paint comes up like. Then we're going to fit the bumpers. As you can see, my brother painted them and they look really good, nice and shiny, different to the car because the car is absolutely disgusting. So yeah, I'm going to move the Civic out and I'm going to try and drive it out because my brother said it's driving. He said the clutch is a bit weird, it still needs to be bled. I think it needs a new either slave cylinder or clutch master cylinder. He said the brakes aren't right either, but they weren't bled fully properly, like, because they need to be bled on the car with everything connected fully. There was a few leaks, so they need to be bled again and looked after. So I'm going to move the Civic outside, park it sideways for my mate to work on, and then I'm going to do a few little bits and pieces in the garage as well. I'm not sure what. Maybe I'll do a bit on the little gem VTEC Mini, maybe I'll do a bit on my mate's blue Mini, or maybe I'll just give a tidy up, get rid of all the shit around as that's what it is, or I might even play with my K20. Sure, we'll see. That's the Civic outside. Just waiting on my mate Al to come up. He's going to give it a good whiz around. We will record that. But for now, I'm just going to move a few bits and pieces around so I can actually get around to the garage. I'm going to put all this stuff in the bin, get it out of the way. Going to move a few bits and pieces over here as well. So once I'm finished with that, we should have a bit more room to work on stuff. I'm going to put the wheel back on that Mini and let it down. And yeah, so let's see what we can do. Put your tools back. We have the rear bumper on. Don't mind the side skirts, not yet. And the front bumper on. I have to say, looking like a complete car. It looks pretty decent, if I do say so myself.
Jamie didn't do any of it.
I'm trying to show you at me. Don't shout at me.
I did it all.
Here. I have proof. I have video footage. Can't say shit about that. Yeah, wash my car.
It's called Clean My Car. .ie.
.ie. So yeah, that's the view of the car on the side. Really does need them skirts and the little side bits, but that's it, finished. Oh yeah, the front and back lippy has the paint as well. That'll be nice on the car. Ooh, look at the Fiat. Jesus Reaper, it's red again. Wow. Holy. That's unreal. Can't wait to get the front bumpers on it. Well, the front bumper and the back bumper. Lower it, arches, wheels, finished. Deadly. Honestly didn't think it'd come up as red as it did. Nice one. Thanks, love. So Alan is cleaning the interior of the Civic after doing the outside of the interior. Get cracking on my Mini and the Blue Mini, obviously, because Aaron is on his way down and he wants to get some stuff done. So peace out. See you after the pizza. Difference, isn't it? You can see how dull it is on that side compared to the other side. Like, yeah. It's crazy. That's some difference, like. Reaper worked his magic with Reaper. What's that stuff called to blacken the dash?
GPXT.
GPXT. Yeah, it comes up really nice. Really nice. I think that's us for the night. We're gonna head home. Reaper done all his hard work.
We quit.
Good.
Done.
You can't quit. You're the boss. So yeah. Jesus, Reaper. Smell your arse, man. So yeah, that's the EG6 all tidied up. There's some difference in that bonnet. You can actually see the line he left. The difference between polished and not polished. So I'll Teletubby say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, guys, that's it for the night. I'll see you tomorrow. What's up, everyone? Down here for another night. So I'm just going to get the ball rolling, get this Civic out. And then my brother's going to be down to do some welding on the Blue Mini. I'm going to tidy up my Mini. And I'm going to clean the K20. Do a few bits and pieces. So let's get to it. So the wife got me a toilet roll holder. Genius. So I'm going to hang it up just there, just so we can use it. Obviously this toilet and sink need a good clean, full of dust and dirt. I'm not going to spend all night cleaning the toilet, but it's usable and it's clean, so that'll do for now. Mini is out in the middle of the floor because my brother's doing all the welding tonight, so this side is done, so he needs to get around to this side, and this door is coming off, and he is going to be doing a doorstep, which is rotten, has holes in it, the sill, inner doorstep and the floor. A few bits and pieces to do. A few more bits and pieces to weld up, and that's pretty much it. Here he is now pulling in, so let's get to it. So I got the inlet manifold painted black, got the starting motor painted silver and black. Bracket for the gear cables was nasty, so I just painted the Audi silver and gave the engine a quick clean. I'm not going to bother painting it because I don't want it looking too plasticky horrible, so I'll leave it like this for the meantime, but I will give it another good clean again. Starting motor's on, look crusty. I know you don't see it, but looks brand new now. Job done. That's a proper job, isn't it? So that's all I'm going to get done for the night. He's over there welding that. I'm going home, so peace out. See you in the next one.